Hey there, iTrust community. Are you interested in investing in an IRA but unsure how long it will take? Well, we are here to help answer all of your burning questions. If you're simply contributing cash from somewhere like a checking account, you should see your funds in 2 to 3 business days via wire transfer. It may take up to 5 business days via check or ACH though. Are you transferring funds from another IRA? Well, depending on your custodian, funding should take between 1 and 2 weeks, but it could take longer depending on how quickly they process their returns. For those of you rolling over a former employer plan such as a 401k, you can expect to see your funds within 1 to 3 weeks, but it will depend on the custodian. Interested in learning more? Check out our other FAQs. Ready to start investing? Head to iTrustCapital.com now. Cryptocurrency is a speculative investment. iTrustCapital doesn't give investment advice, so consult your investment advisor.